You always pass failure on the way to success.
Hi, so today we count down 27 days to PSLE. Let's read the question. Alice and Barry had some money. If Alice gave Barry $360, both of them would have an equal amount of money. If Barry gave Alice $180, Barry would have one third as much money as Alice. So we need to find out Alice and Barry's money. So in the question, they tell us that there's an equal stage, an equal amount of money. So I'm going to draw the model for this question, starting from the equal stage. So Alice and Barry, they had an equal amount of money, but only if Alice had already given Barry $360. So for this part, I'm going to work backwards. Okay, so if Alice gave Barry $360, then they will be equal. Now, Barry needs to return the $360 to Alice. Okay, so I take out $360 from Barry, return it to Alice. Next, remember to extend your lines up to label the parts that we know. So we label this part 360 as well. And this is actually what we need to find, because this is the actual amount of money that each of them had. Okay? Now, there's another scenario going on. There's another if, right? So now, if Barry gave Alice $180. Okay, so now Barry is going to take out $180. So I draw 180 from Barry. Shift it, because that's what he's going to give to Alice. So we give to Alice. Right, next, remember to again extend your lines up. Label that part 180 as well. Then in the end, they tell us that if this happened, Barry would have one third as much money as Alice. Which means that Barry would have 1 unit and Alice would have a total of 3 units, which tells us that the back part there will add up to 2 units. Okay? So 2 units would be equals to $180 plus $360 plus $360 and $180. That will add up to $1,000.80. So then 1 unit, so that's 1080 divided by 2, will give us $540. So we need to find Alice, right? Remember, this is the part, Alice's actual amount of money. So to find that, we take 1 unit, which is 540, plus 180, plus 360, and another 360 to give us $1,440. And as for Barry, this is where we need to find his actual amount of money, which is 1 unit, $540 plus $180. That will give us a total of $720 for Barry. And that's the answer for both of them. That's all for this question. See you again tomorrow.